Hi everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going over these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. You might have already seen this or not in the other video. If you have seen it, subscribe. If you didn't, then leave a like. So this is super cool. This is kind of you just kind of pop it a little bit. And yeah, that's super cool. But this guy has a message for you. Please read this message. Okay, I think that's good. Our next one is a super cool poppet. It's kind of blue and pink. I think it's super cool. Cause it's like a different version of Poppet. It really it can bend really easily. So it not break or anything. It just is really loose and rubbery. I don't know if it's rubbery though. And yeah, that's that. Our next one is a super. This is kind of like our monkey noodle, but it's this. Let's hold it down. Look how far it can go. Wow. Yep. Then we have a super cool poodle that you can swipe. And my favorite one is, let me hold you guys. Uh-oh. Guys, if you fall, it's my legs. Oh. Okay. Let's open this guy. All I have to do is press these buttons. You can see how it's blinking. You can spin it. Super cool, right? Woo! And that is all. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday night. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.